Hi friends, today I'm going to color a magician Mickey Mouse. I've got all my markers ready and I can't wait to use them. First, a yellow marker, a blue marker, a sky blue marker, a red marker, a skin tone marker, and finally, a light gray marker. All right friends, are you ready for an exciting coloring adventure? Let's go coloring.
And make a wish, dreams will come true. With a sprinkle of stardust, skies are always blue. Believe in the wonder, let your heart be free. Every day's an adventure for you and me. Magic in the air, everywhere we go. Colors of the rainbow, putting on a show. With a smile and a song, let's dance and twirl in this wondrous magical world. As the day fades into night, stars begin to gleam. We'll hold on to the magic of every dream, with the promise of tomorrow and the love that we share. Every moment's enchanting, with magic in the air. Wake up, it's a sunny day. Grab your friends, let's go and play. Jumping high, reaching the sky, laughing loud as we run by. Sunny days and playful ways, let's sing and dance, it's our happy place. With giggles and smiles, we'll never stop. Join the fun, let's hop, hop, hop.